I'm going to do a tour of a tandem axle Supercoach. You can see we got a stick shift. See if we can find a year on the bus. 1988. Let's take a look on the inside. You know, noticing, I'm looking at these Supercoaches and they have extremely long windows, which is something you don't see on normal modern buses. We got our E-door right here. Of course, back seat. Let's turn around. Emergency exit, and let's take a look up front. And one thing I'm already noticing, oh, it looks like it's a 10-speed. One thing I'm noticing is the Thomas plate right there. Got an Eaton Fuller 10-speed. So there are the warning lights right there. Let's see, clearance lights, fog lights, more lights over here. See, it looks like we got heaters, engine brake, parking brake. There's a clutch. It does not look like that's the original steering wheel either. Got some rules right here. So let's take a look. 338,008 miles. Very interesting place for a parking brake. I can see that that's probably more convenient for a driver. Shut that latch. Very, very large steering wheel compared to what we have today at this point. And let's take a look on the outside of this. We got our engine right there. Like I said, tandem axle, so we got 2 sets of back wheels. See, this looks like this came from Anaheim. You might be able to make out. See what you can see under there. Alright. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.